divide 792 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 3. So this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 9 and it is 39. 4 times 9 is 36. On subtracting, we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 2 and it is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting, we get 0. So 792 divided by 4 is 198. So this much for today and thanks for watching.